Select Bluetooth pairing. Long press the manual button for 5 seconds. Select Wi-Fi and input the password. Tap to enter the control interface. Enable your phone's mobile data and hotspot. Use the app to search and connect to your device's hotspot. Tap Schedule to set schedule. Select the time and days. Tap Timer to set timer. Select the time and on or off. Tap Loop Timer to set loop timer. Set the time you would like to start. Set on or off and the duration respectively. It can be controlled by Alexa and Google Home.